You probably won't believe me when I say this, but I actually promote blowing a Forex account. Now, when I mean blow an account, I don't mean for you to stick 10 grand in an account and just go and blow it. I'm talking about investing something small, like 200 or 300 pound, and trying your best to actually trade your strategy. Now, if you do end up blowing your account, then you need to see how you react to that personally, because at the end of the day, this isn't a game where you have multiple lives and you'll be fine. So actually blowing an account will make you do one of two things. It'll either make you feel like trading is a scam, or it will mean that you actually stay in the markets and want to progress and learn. You'll also know what it feels like to lose money then, and it will also show your dedication as to whether or not you're in this long term, or if you've just jumped in to try and get rich, even though we both know that's not going to happen. I've seen so many people blow their accounts and they've only been in the market 1 or 2 months, and they actually thought that they would become millionaires overnight, but instead what actually happens is that they deposit their 200 or 300 pound and they lose it all. This actually segues into the next part of the video, which I wanted to talk about. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. So many people in the UK are dealing with financial issues or the cost of living. If you are one of these people, the disposable income that you have saved up now, you shouldn't be investing that money into something as risky as the markets. So my question to everyone that wants to get started with Forex is, can you actually afford to lose the money? Could it be spent on something more important? You need to bring yourself back down to reality and realize that your trading journey might not go as well as you originally planned or thought. A great example I can actually give to you is if you're constantly going out on weekends and spending hundreds of pounds on drinks or clubs or wherever you go, then that money you're burning there is disposable. So realistically, you don't care whether you lose that money or not when you're going out on a weekend. So my question to you is, why get so emotional over £200 that you might potentially lose? If you actually do end up losing your first initial investment, don't have an emotional breakdown over it, because you'd have spent that money on something else anyway, like going out. As long as if and when you have a loss or potentially blow your account, compare it to a night out or a weekend away and realize it's not the end of the world. So yeah, hopefully this video actually helps you deal with a loss or deal with your Forex account being blown or deal with a funded account that you've blown. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.